The TESSmobile app allows users to see and change the status of traffic control on jobs from anywhere with internet access. Superior Traffic is rolling out an updated version of our app. Expect to see a brief "What's New" pop-up tour. Log on to TESSmobile. If you don't have credentials already, login information is provided by Superior Traffic. At the client access level, get visual site awareness of your job site with images updated about every 5 seconds, along with which lights are green or red, the duration of each light, and the current mode of traffic control. Here you can see the light turns green and traffic enters the work zone visible on LTC 428. From this view, the phase line shows a continuous stream of the most recent signal activity and the duration of each light length in seconds. The vertical black tick marks on the vehicle line show the presence of vehicles moving through the work zone, though it's not an actual count of vehicles. See the pickup and camper trailer pass into the work zone? Then you see the same vehicle on Cam 2, which is the work zone facing camera. Tap anywhere on the images associated with either LTC to get more detail about the status of that device. Tapping on LTC 426 shows this end of the work zone is considered Phase 1. The status checkmark means connectivity to the internet, and the voltage measures battery strength. Internal is the strength of the connection between traffic signal devices. All these items are color-coded green for good, yellow for watch, and red for needs attention. Each job site has a master control unit, or MCU. The rest of the LTCs communicate with the MCU, so information on other LTCs also includes communication status. Here, Wi-Fi is okay, but 900 MHz and cellular are coming in strong. With the operator access level of permission, pilot car drivers can change lights from red to green, provided they are within the geofence, physically close to the signal itself. Note the geofence indicator is red until the operator gets close enough, then the icon turns green. The operator can change the light to green now. But if the operator moves too far away, they can't turn the signal back to red. But no worries, in pilot car mode, as you see at the top of the screen, the signal will turn itself back to red based on either a predetermined length for the green light or if there is no detected vehicle presence for a certain amount of time. At the administrator access level, you have all the visibility of the client access and capability to act as an operator, even outside the geofence, but you can actually change parameters of the signal durations, such as adjusting clear times, changing the minimum and maximum length of green lights, and more. Press the settings gear at right to make changes. Get the free updated STS TESSmobile app where you get your apps.